Welcome to LaTricia Creates. I am LaTricia. In today's video, we're going to create cardstock wall art using our Singer Momento. Let's take a look at the materials for this project. For this project, I'm going to use the Singer Momento 24 by 24 inch light grip mat. I have a piece of 24 by 24 inch cardstock. This is Cricut cardstock. I cut it down from 24 by 28 to 24 by 24. I'm also going to use the Singer Momento Brayer tool. I have a Cricut Spatula tool. We also need the Singer Momento and the basic blade. The last thing we need is a design. You ready? Let's make it. I'm going to place the material onto the mat. Now it's ready to go into the machine. Let's head over to mysonet.com to get a design. I'm here in the mysonet crafting software. The first thing I want to do is go over to the left-hand side, grab a design from the library. The library is included with the paid subscription, but if you don't have a paid subscription, some of the projects and files cost money. But you can get access for 30 days. You can get a 30-day free trial. I'm going to click from library. I'm going to stay over here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go down to where it says home, click there. Now I'm going to search for the project I want to do. It's this right here, cut out wall art. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go over to the right hand side over here to the top where it says open in canvas, and I'm going to open it in the canvas. I'm going to adjust it on the canvas some. Now I'm going to go to the top right to the thing that looks like a cutting machine where it says output and click on that. From here, I'm going to go down to send to machine. I have the 24 by 24 mat. I'm going to click on that, then click next. I'm going to search for the material. I'm looking for cardstock. I'm going to do medium cardstock and click continue. I'm going to go down here to where it says do not rearrange because I don't want it at the top because my paper is not exact. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click next. Now it's telling me to place the material on the mat so that it aligns with the top left corner of the grid and feed it into the machine. So I'm going to load the mat into the machine. I'm here at the machine ready to load the mat. I'm going to place it in just like this. There are these guides on each side, so I'm going to put it in just like that. Click on load mat. I'm going to click continue. Now it's telling me to insert the basic blades into the right side, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll meet you at the machine. In order to load the blade, we need to go here to the second one, the one on the right, pull this out, put the blade inside, push it back in until it clicks. Now it's ready to go. I'm going to click here where it says start cutting. It's all done. It looks like it cut all the way through. So I think it's safe to remove it from the machine. I'm going to click here where it says close. Then I'm going to click eject mat. Now let's head to the craft table to take it off the mat. I'm going to flip the mat over and remove the mat from the material. That took a little bit of work, but I got it off. Now what we want to do is bend the petals up to make it 3D-ish. Here's the initial look, but I'm going to tweak it a little more off camera and I'll be back to show you the final results, but I think it is so cute. Here's a close look at the final project. I think it came out so cute. I took an ink pen, curled the petals up, then I went back in with some ink, inked the edges, some of the petals, and the center part. Now I am in love with this piece of wall art. I cannot wait to hang it on my wall. This is so cute. I hope you are able to make one as well, and I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.